Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to know the truths behind the KGF. KGF stands for Kolar Gold Fields, which is located in Taluk Kolar district, Karnataka in India. What we seen in the movie was not a real story, it was a fictional story. In this video, I am going to tell the real story of the KGF. KGF delivered gold to the world for 100 years. Britishers were ruling at the time and they did not have an interest in mining. In 1871, Michael Fitzgerald Lavelle, a army soldier retired after New Zealand War. He came to India to spend his retirement. When Michael spending his retirement in India, he came to know about gold in KGF. When Tipu Sultan lost the war with Britishers, Mysore comes under Britishers' ruling. Michael went to the KGF and offered the gift to the people for who brings the gold from the sand. All people started digging the sand and carrying it on bullock carts to Michael, separating the sand and gold in front of Michael. He immediately came to the conclusion that he can extract the good amount of gold from KGF. His assumption was to take out 1 gram of gold from 56 kgs of sand. With the help of some people, land was digged 5 meters long and found 1 gram gold. He came to know finding 10 grams of gold in less than 1 ton of sand. He wanted to dig more deeper to find more gold. He needed license for it. He wrote a letter to Britishers and Maharaja for license. Initially license was not given, later license was approved. In India, first time gold mining was started in 1871. Michael was not rich, he was not gaining the profits after deducting the mining expenses. Michael sold his lease to John Taylor. John Taylor was good at mining. Taylor knows he cannot make profits without missionaries. He brought the good missionaries from London and America. Now he started digging deeper with the help of missionaries and finding good amount of gold. As they were going deeper, oxygen levels were reducing and darkness was increasing. Light lamps were not supporting them in the 3 kilometers down. He made the first hydroelectricity power plant on Kaveri River with the help of Mysore Maharaja. Gave the power connection to KGF. KGF got the first power connection in India. First time in history, Kaveri power plant became the biggest power plant in 1889. Power production was increased and gave the power connections to outside the KGF. With the help of Central Electricity Company, and also made a 5 kilometers water pipeline for drinking water. Increased the foreigners in KGF. English schools were built for their children. And now new clubs were opened, foreign liquor started producing in KGF. Taylor and Sons made the KGF as mini England. Workers were Indians and they were not having any facilities. Rat attacks were increased in mining. Rats count were equal to the people in that village. Rat catching equipment installed to get rid of the rats. Tons of gold were exporting to London. 95% of the gold in the world was exporting from KGF. More than 50,000 people were dying in KGF in a year due to Taylor and Sons' greediness. They made the workers to work in 3 kilometers deeper mining hole where they were unable to get the proper oxygen. After independence, Prime Minister Nehru made KGF nationalized. Everyone started leaving the KGF when it became nationalized. Taylor and Sons sent their teams to South Africa and Australia. At that moment, Indian engineers taken over the KGF. Gold prices were marking less and government was not making the profits. Bharat Gold Mines Limited extracted the gold as much as they can. Gold extraction cost was increased, slowly reduced the gold extraction from the KGF. KGF was completely closed in 2001. KGF was not closed lack of gold, it was closed high extraction cost and not having advanced technology to extract from deeper. This is how KGF story was ended. I'm hoping you all will like this explanation. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.